Hello. Welcome. As I was seen in thumbnail, this is a video on Independence Day at my college, and that is NIT Warangal. Like all other videos, I don't like to start in the same in directly Independence Day celebrations at my college. Wait, but don't leave. Watch until the end. Let's think some different. Okay. Let's go back to the childhood. Going back to the childhood, it would be magnificent, right? Let us remember the childhood celebrations of Independence Day. Yes, getting up in the early morning and wearing the total outfit in white and that pleasant feeling that I feel, and going to the nearby shop to buy an Indian flag with a proud feeling. I think I can remember my face and you to remember your childhood faces. Work to the school at the magnificent speeches by the teachers are a lot more inspiring. And I think I need to do something for my country. I think you too think in childhood, right? Okay, Independence Day is incomplete without cultural programs. Let's say some photos about it.
Don't think life is over when a problem comes. Think of it as a turning point.
Yeah, I can see, only one she. But I don't know, only she. Chala members are telling me, good person. చల్లని రాత్రి వెన్నెల్లో చుక్కల తట్టిన పందిరిలో అందాల సందడిలో పరువాల పందిరి.
Follow the meme page if you like it. I hope you remember your childhood. Okay, sorry for waiting this much time if you are waiting for NITW Independence Day vlog. Okay, let's go right in. Going back to that day, before day I slept at around 11:30 pm. I didn't attend last time Republic Day at NIT Warangal. So I was a bit excited to show the NITW Independence Day celebrations to my YouTube family. I get up a bit early, around 6 o'clock with 7 hours of sleep. But the fact is, I missed the flag hoisting. But thanks to my friend Rohan for capturing that video. But after seeing that video, I felt so bad for missing it. Then the March First by the NCC Corps and security.
that end of the Independence Day. All smile. Goodbye. Take care. रात को करो कुछ ना ही सेंड होता तुम्हारा यूट्यूब फीड में, but it means a lot to me.